I want to show you how to be social on social media on Facebook in 2021. There's a new business news feed that is hidden, and I want to show you how to find it. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are following some business as your business. So who are you going to follow? You might want to look at keywords or groups or hashtags of like-minded businesses or people in your niche. For example, I can go here and click entrepreneurs because they would be kind of in my niche. So I can put entrepreneur and then see what comes up. So Entrepreneur Institute, Women Entrepreneur. This is good. So I would click on this and I could decide to click here and I can decide to follow this page because I can want to see its content in my newsfeed, and I can also like it as my page. Okay, so I want to like them as my business page so that I can interact as my business. So I want to say, okay, I'm going to like them as my page, and also because I want them to come in my business newsfeed. So if I go here, I can say I want to also follow them. This is a kind of two-step thing now if you want to see their content actually show up. And now I can see, okay, what's happening here? Woman, this is such a cute quote. So I can say, this is such, I'll put great reminder and inspiring photo. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so what happens now is that anyone that comes on this page will see my business name, description about what I do, a link to my website, and my phone number. This is amazing because it's subliminal, permission-based marketing, as Heather would say. So you can go like this, and then you like different pages and so on. You can also send them a message, introduce yourself, and say, hey, this is what I do. If you look that people have commented on some of their posts, maybe some of their posts are more popular than others. If they have some comments, you can see who commented and maybe, okay, they've commented, so you can see one more comment. If you can go actually visit Susan something, and then this is their personal profile, but if it was another business, you can interact with that business, okay? So, but what I want to show you is, say you like all these pages and you start interacting with pages, and then you're like, well, where are they? Like, where is all the information? And this is where the secret sauce is. So I'm going back to my page. So now I'm on my page. I'm going to say, where are all those pages that I liked in the past? So you go here, / and it used to be pages_feed, but it changed. And now it's news_feed. See that? Facebook.com, the name of my Facebook business page, news_feed. And then I'm going to go here and check this out, everybody. This is all the pages and the groups and everything that I manage, plus suggestions for me. So it makes it super easy to follow people and visit their page. Actually, I know Laura. See, I haven't heard of her in so long because I forgot to do this. So I can go, I can go here, I can like some of your comment, I'll do that later. But what happens is that all the pages that I followed are there, so it makes it super easy. This is Heather. It makes it super easy to go down and simply go and comment, share some posts as my business. It is super important, it allows me to be out front, to be part of a community, and to, in return, probably get more engagement on my page. So try to do this, people, 10 minutes a day. Research groups, research hashtags, join groups as your page. Click the 3 little dots to click join as your page, and go and be social on social media.